Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna pack some oars with you and show you a bunch of cute tops that I've made recently for Lisa's Pieces, my clothing brand. So with that being said, the first thing that I'm gonna do is just kind of go through everything and show you what I'm packing, and then after that I'll show you like how I pack it. And yeah, it's really special to me like how it's packaged as well as the top, because I want you to like feel just as special opening your package as you do when you wear your top. So yeah, anyway, I think I have about like 15 tops to show you. I may have previously filmed some clips of previous orders from this week. I just didn't sit down and film like an in-depth going through everything, so I might insert those clips as well if you're like, what is that? So yeah, because I have a bunch of other stuff that I did ship earlier this week. I just didn't get a chance to have the time to sit down and show you. Anyway, okay, so first up we have the Love Story top. This top is a tank top baby doll style with a beautiful patchwork down the middle, and it's made out of a stretch knit, so it really like stretches to your body and it's like super flattering. I love this one, and this one was in a size small. And then next we have a bow bag. This one is the Polka Dot Princess bow bag. This one to me was just like inspired by like princess, fairy, polka dot vibes. On the front I did a vintage fleece fabric. It's this gorgeous rosebud. It's really cute. And then the back has this really pretty white and like a beige light brown polka dot pattern. And all of my bow bags are reversible, so you could wear it like this way or you could flip it inside out. As I was saying, the inside has just like a light pink fleece, which is really pretty and girly. And then we have a little pocket that you can put your phone in or whatever. I have a bunch of these that are personally my own, and I always use it every Sunday or Saturday for like the farmer's market. And I also love using it in the summer for the beach and just whatever. I mean, it fits a lot and it holds a lot too. Like, it can hold a lot of weight, so you can use it for like an overnight bag or whatever. But yeah, so we have that one. I have the Rapunzel top, which is this dainty little baby doll top with this really pretty baby pink rose in the middle, and then a patchwork down the center front, as well as this really pretty lace. And this one is in a size small. But it's super cute. I love like the colorways for this one. It's very like fairy princess vibes. And then we have this one too, same thing. This is in a size large. And then we have this one in extra small. Next up we have the Eva top. This is one of my newer tops from the Valentine's Day collection. I'm so obsessed with this top. It's made out of the softest sweater material. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but it's like, it's so stunning. Like, I love this top. And I'm not just saying that, like, it's so nice. This one is in a size small. It's the same like baby doll type of style with a little ruched bust. And then this one is like a full length as well. It's so cute though. It would be really cute with this outfit actually. Maybe I will wear mine today. I have a personal one as well. And then next we have the Eloise skirt. I am wearing mine right now, but mine's a sample because it's not double lined. This one is double lined, so it's not see-through at all. And it's made from this gorgeous pointel knit, this cream pointel knit. I think I released this in the summer. and we have this cute little tag. And yeah, this is just like such a perfect summer skirt. It's super cute. This one's in a size medium. I love it so much. I'm sure that you could honestly also wear it as a top. I haven't tried that. I should try. But yeah, I'm actually wearing my Eloise skirt, and then I'm wearing the Eloise tube top right now. We also have a cami top, but it just has this really cute little teddy bear lace, as well as just like the pointelle knit and then the ruched bust. And this one is mid-length. Next we have one of my favorites. I said that for everything. I just love every piece so much. Like, seriously, like, I love making them for you guys. But this is the Leo top, mid-length, and this is in a size small. So it's made with this really pretty like blossom leopard stretch knit material, and then I double line the front as well. And then it's like a halter type style with a low back. So it's like super flattering. And then we have the little ties. So we have two of those. One, two. This one is in a size extra small. It's really pretty as well. I love that one. And then we have a Sherry Amour top, but I've already wrapped it all up, so I will insert either a photo right here, or I will insert a clip of what this top looks like. But this is how I'm going to be packaging everything, with this really pretty bow. Getting on to our last few pieces, we have the pointelle princess top. This one is really pretty. It's made with the vintage pointelle knit. It's like a beige color. And this one is in a size medium. We have the black swan top, but this one is a custom for my friend, and she wanted to add some straps. So it's really pretty. And then we have the black swan top. Oh, by the way, that one was in a medium, and so is this one. This is the black swan top. This is I didn't fully explain the last one, but it is a lace tube top that has a double line bust. And it features this elastic banding on the top. And then it has this really pretty edge. This one's really cute with like a maxi skirt, like a lighter colored maxi skirt. I wore mine in Mexico. And then we have the emery top, which is just a cream baby doll tank top with a pretty brown lace and then a bow to match. I really love this one too. It's really cute, and this is in a size large. Okay, one more. And then last but not least, we have the Cupid Kiss top in a size medium. This one is like a cami style top with a really flattering ruched bust, vintage red lace, and this pretty bow, and this pretty red rose to match. In the back, it's just like this. This one would be really cute with this outfit too. So yeah, that's everything. I'm just gonna go ahead and start packaging these up, and I'm gonna show you guys how I do that. So yeah. So we have all of these to package. Okay guys, it's time to get packing orders. I have all of them right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and sort everything out, and then I'll show you as I'm like packing everything into the boxes and stuff. So I'm just gonna put all my packages in here. I think that is everything. Let me know what top was your favorite, comment it down below, and don't forget to like this video if you want to see more like it. I will link all my socials and my website down below if you want to shop or anything like that. But I'll see you guys on my Instagram. I'm really active on there, or TikTok. We're on here, of course, but